Chase Sapphire cardholders have the right to dispute various types of charges on their credit card statements. Understanding what can be disputed and taking the right initial steps is crucial for a successful resolution. There are four main types of charges you can dispute. First, unauthorized transactions from fraudulent or stolen card usage. Second, billing errors like incorrect amounts or duplicate charges. Third, service or product issues such as non-delivery or defective items. And fourth, processing errors including currency conversion mistakes or incorrect merchant coding. Now that you understand what can be disputed, let's look at the critical time limit and initial steps you need to take. Time is critical when disputing charges. You have exactly 60 days from the transaction date to file a dispute with Chase. Missing this deadline could result in losing your right to dispute the charge. Start by reviewing your transaction details carefully. Log into your Chase account online or use the mobile app to examine the disputed charge and gather all relevant information. Next, gather all supporting documentation. This includes receipts, delivery confirmations, email correspondence with the merchant, and any other relevant evidence that supports your dispute claim. Before filing a formal dispute with Chase, it's recommended to first attempt to resolve the issue directly with the merchant. Many problems can be solved quickly through direct communication, saving time for everyone involved. Remember these key points. You have 60 days to dispute, gather comprehensive documentation, and always try merchant resolution first. These initial steps set the foundation for a successful dispute process. There are two main ways to file a dispute with Chase. The online method through their website or mobile app is the most efficient option. For the online method, start by logging into your Chase account and navigating to Account Services. Then select Dispute a Transaction to begin the process. Next, you'll choose the specific charge you want to dispute and select the reason for your dispute. Then upload any supporting documents and provide a detailed explanation of the issue. If you prefer to call instead, you can contact Chase customer service directly. However, the online method is typically faster and more convenient. After filing your dispute, Chase typically provides provisional credit within 1 to 2 business days for qualifying disputes. This gives you immediate relief while they investigate your claim. The investigation period typically takes 30 to 90 days, depending on the complexity of your dispute. Chase will review all the evidence and communicate with the merchant during this time. Finally, you'll receive the resolution. Chase will either make the provisional credit permanent if they find in your favor, or restore the original charge if the dispute is not upheld.